How many push-ups do you really need to transform your body? Is it 10 a day, 50 a day, or that famous 100 push-ups challenge? The truth is most people do push-ups every day and still look exactly the same. Today I tell you exactly how many push-ups actually work based on your level and how to use them to force your real body transformation. Why push-ups actually work? Push-ups are not just a chest exercise, they are a full body movement. A proper push-ups train chest, shoulders, triceps, core and glutes. Your body works as one unit. That's why push-ups have been used by fighters, soldiers and athletes for decades. But here's the mistake. People chase a number, not a challenge. Your body does not change from counting reps. It changes when the exercise becomes hard enough. The real rule of transformation. There is no magic number of push-ups that transform everyone. Transformation depends on your current strength, your body weight, your form, how close you train to failure. If 20 push-ups are hard for you, that can change your body. If 100 push-ups are easy, they won't. Your body grows when you force it to adapt. That's called progressive overload. Push-ups by fitness level. Let's break it down clearly. Beginner level. If you can do 5 to 15 push-ups max, your transformation zone is 20 to 40 push-ups per day. Do them in sets, 4 sets of 5 to 10 reps. Slow, controlled form, full range of motion. At this level, push-ups will build chest and arm muscle, improve posture, and strengthen your core. Stay consistent for 30 days and your body will visibly change. Intermediate level. If you can do 20 to 40 push-ups non-stop, your range is 60 to 100 push-ups per day. But don't do them all the same way. Use variation. Decline push-ups, diamond push-ups, slow tempo push-ups. Example, 5 sets of 20 reps, rest 60 seconds. This level builds chest thickness, shoulder shape, and stronger arms. Advanced level. If you can do 50 or more push-ups easily, high reps won't transform you anymore. You need intensity, weighted push-ups, pause push-ups, explosive push-ups. Even 40 to 60 difficult reps will be more effective than 200 easy ones. Can 100 push-ups a day transform your body? Yes, but only for beginners and intermediates. 100 push-ups a day can build muscles, increase endurance, improve chest definition. But only if your form is strict. You increase difficulty over time. Your diet supports muscle growth or fat loss. If you do the same 100 reps forever, progress stops. Push-ups alone are not enough. Push-ups are powerful, but they are not magic. They won't build big legs, fix a bad diet, or replace sleep. For full transformation, combine push-ups with squats or lunges, pulling movements, protein-rich nutrition. Push-ups are the foundation, not the full plan. So how many push-ups does it take to transform your body? As many as it takes to challenge you. And one more. Stop chasing number, start chasing progress. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for real fitness content. And comment below how many push-ups you can do right now. Your transformation starts with your next rep.